Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Karna Maths Academy. Today in this video, we are going to solve one of the most important questions, which is from the chapter of Conditional Trigonometry. Here we go. Dear student, if a plus b plus c is pi radian, we have to prove that sin b plus c minus a, sin c plus a minus b, sin a plus b minus c is equal to 4 sin a times sin b times sin c. So let's take LHS. So dear student, the LHS, we have taken LHS at first. A plus b plus c is equal to pi radian. So the value of b plus c will be pi radian minus a. That means 180 degree minus a. And minus a will be minus 2a. Dear student, the value of c plus a, we can add pi minus b, and minus b will be minus 2b, so it will be 180 degree minus 2b plus the value of a plus b. From the given condition, the value of a plus b will be pi radian minus c, and minus c will be minus 2c. That means we'll get 180 minus 2c. Dear student, we know that sin 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, the value of sin are positive. So dear student, by using the cast rule, we have got sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. Now next, we'll use the formula of sin 2a plus sin c plus sin d. Supposing first angle as c and second angle as d, then using the formula of sin c plus sin d. Dear student, the formula of sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 times cos c minus d by 2 and plus sin 2c, keeping as it is. Dear student, if we take 2 common and cancel with 2 common and cancel with 2, then the terms will be 2 sin a plus b cos a minus b, and let us use the formula of sin 2c. We know that the formula of sin 2 is 2 sin a into cos a. So it will be 2 sin c into cos c. Dear student, the value of sin a plus b means pi radian minus c, and 180 minus theta, sin 180 minus theta means sin theta, that means we'll get sin c. Now 2 sin c we can take common. Dear student, C, angle C means 180 minus A plus B. That means cos 180 minus theta will be equal to minus cos theta. So dear student, the value of cos C is equal to minus cos A plus B according to the given condition. Dear students, let's do the further calculation. Now cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. The formula is 2 sin A into sin B. Then we get 2 to the 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. So dear student, our answer is 4 sin A, sin B, sin C, which is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Dear student, I hope that you have understood how to prove the problem which is related to the conditional trigonometry. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with a new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.